Rustic interior design has a way of feeling like a cozy embrace, and the wonderful thing about this versatile style is it can work with a plethora of other looks. Moreover, a little rustic touch can make it feel like home. Rustic interior design has a touch of tradition and a casual aesthetic. It underscores many other styles, like shabby chic, industrial, and cottage homes. That said, rustic elements can sit happily with modern or contemporary pieces. In fact, the contrast between new and old is pleasant to behold and results in a covetable modern rustic style. Let's dive into our favorites.
Warm walls whisper wood and stone. Feel the comfort, feel like home. Candles flicker, soft like glows. Every corner, love it shows. Cozy embrace. Every place. Rustic grace. Warm your face. Textures blend, old meets new. Harmony finds a perfect view. Mix and match, style so free. Heartfelt touch, eternally. Cozy embrace. Every place. Rustic grace. Warm your face. Textures blend, old meets new. Harmony finds a perfect view. Mix and match, style so free. Heartfelt touch, eternally. Cozy embrace. Every place. Rustic grace. Warm your face.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.